Okay, alright. Alright, today I'm doing plate tectonics and associated hazards. Let's get this thing done.
With like platte.
Aftershock. A smaller earthquake that occurs after a previous large earthquake in the same area. Ash.
Dust-sized particles from rock produced by the explosive eruption of some volcanoes. This material may be carried up in the air for long distances from the volcano which formed it. Nah, it's just ash.
It is just ash. Yeah. Yeah. Dust. Asthenosphere. Part of the Earth's mantle that lies below the lithosphere, at depths between about 100 and 350 kilometers. The rock here is relatively soft because of its high temperature and relatively low pressure. This enables it to move in a plastic fashion. It is this layer upon which the tectonic plates move. A batholith. A very large mass of igneous intrusive rock, often granite, that forms from cooled magma deep in the Earth's crust. A composite volcano. Large, steep-sided, symmetrical cone-shaped volcano formed from alternating layers of lava flows, volcanic ash, cinders, blocks and bombs. Conservative plate margin. A type of plate margin where two tectonic plates are moving past one another with no addition or destruction of plate material. Constructive plate margin. A type of plate margin where new crust is generated as plates pull away from each other. These are found at mid-oceanic ridges. Continental crust. This is made of old, low-density rocks such as granite. It is generally 35 to 70 kilometers thick and mostly over 1.5 billion years old. Continental drift. A hypothesis proposed by Alfred Wegener that today's continents are the result of the breakup of a single supercontinent. The fragments then drifted to their present positions. Convection current. Currents in the mantle that are the driving force in the movement of tectonic plates. It is thought that they are initiated by hotspots deep in the mantle. The core. The innermost layers of the Earth. The core comprises of two concentric spheres. The inner core is believed to be made of solid iron and the outer core liquid iron. A crater. A circular depression in the ground caused by volcanic activity. Crust. The outermost layer of the Earth. Destructive plate margin. A type of plate margin where crust is destroyed as two plates converge. These are usually associated with island arcs or young-fold mountains. Dormant. A description of the state of a volcano between eruptions when it gives out very little gas and lava. Dikes. Deep, sheet-like intrusions varying in thickness from a few millimeters to tens of meters across. They occupy vertical weaknesses in the rock. They can often cut across rock bedding and form low ridges. Epicenter. The point on the Earth's surface directly above the focus of an earthquake. Eruption. This is said to occur when a volcano gives off large quantities of lava and gas. Extinct. The description of a volcano that has not erupted for at least 25,000 years. Extrusive activity. Volcanic activity that results from magma reaching the surface. A fault. A fracture in the Earth's crust which marks the point where two masses of adjacent rock are moving in different directions to each other. Say hello. Say hello, cat. Say hello.